You've been told a lie, a big one, that you need a mountain of cash, a massive social media following, or some secret pricey software to make real money online. It's a myth, cooked up to sell you courses and keep you on the sidelines. The belief that you need money to make money is the single biggest reason most people never even get started. But what if I told you that you could build a legitimate passive income stream from scratch without spending a single dollar? Not in a year, not in 6 months, but starting today. In this video, I'm going to give you the exact step-by-step blueprint in 4 easy steps to build your first passive income engine with affiliate marketing, starting with $0 and zero experience. We're going to expose the myth and replace it with a method. First, let's make sure we're on the same page. What is affiliate marketing? It's simple. You get paid a commission for recommending other companies' products. When someone clicks your unique link and buys something, you earn money. You don't create products, handle shipping, or deal with customer service. Your only job is to be a helpful guide, connecting people with solutions they're already searching for. This is the ultimate beginner-friendly model because the startup cost is your time, not your wallet. You can join affiliate programs for free, and you can promote them on free platforms. The whole process is a simple 4-step loop. I call it the 4 Ps: product, page, pins, and patience. First, we find a high-value product to promote. Second, we build a free, on-page website, our money page, to act as our central hub. Third, we use Pinterest to create a free traffic machine with what I call perpetual pins that drive clicks for months, even years. And fourth, we cover the secret sauce that makes it all work: patience. This is the exact framework. No fluff. Let's jump into step 1. Step 1. Find a high-value product for free. Your first mission is to decide what you want to promote. This is your niche. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to sell everything to everyone. To win, you have to be a specialist. So what problem can you solve, or what passion do you have? The most profitable niches almost always revolve around health, wealth, or relationships, because people are always looking to improve these parts of their lives. But don't just pick health. That's way too broad. You have to get specific, or hyper-targeted. Instead of health, think keto recipes for busy moms. Instead of wealth, think budgeting tools for college students. The more specific the problem, the easier it is to find your people. Once you have a niche, it's time to find a product. We're starting with the easiest, most trusted affiliate program on the planet, Amazon Associates. Amazon's program is perfect for beginners because it's free to join. They approve almost anyone with a simple website or social profile, and people already trust shopping on Amazon. The commission rates vary by category, typically ranging from 1 to 10% for most items, which can add up fast. The real magic, though, is the 24-hour cookie. If you recommend a book, but the person who clicks your link also buys a new TV within that 24-hour window, you get a commission on their entire cart. Signing up is easy. Head to the Amazon Associates homepage and create a free account. They'll ask for a website or social media link. You can use a YouTube channel or even a public social profile to get approved. Now, here's something critical. You need to make 3 qualifying sales within your first 180 days to keep your account from being closed, so it's important to get started promoting right away. Once you're in, you can generate a unique affiliate link for any product on Amazon. For our example, home coffee brewing for beginners, we could grab links for a popular espresso machine, a bag of whole bean coffee, and a milk frother. Save those links. You officially have something to sell. Step 2. Build your free money page. Okay, you've got your affiliate links. Where do you send people? A classic rookie mistake is just spamming those raw affiliate links everywhere. Don't do that. It looks sketchy, and most platforms will flag your account. Instead, you need a simple, central hub that you control. This is your money page. And no, you don't need some fancy, expensive website. We're going to build one for free in under 30 minutes using a tool like Wix or a free landing page builder from HubSpot. Their free plans are more than enough to get going, with simple drag-and-drop editors and pro-looking templates. Your money page has one job: build a tiny bit of trust and get the click. It only needs 3 simple things. 1. A killer headline. Speak directly to your visitor's problem. For our coffee niche, something like, "Your ultimate guide to cafe-quality espresso at home." 2. A quick, helpful review. Write a few short paragraphs about the products. Don't just list features, explain the benefits. This espresso machine takes all the guesswork out of your morning coffee, giving you a perfect shot every time. Then, put your affiliate links inside clear call to action buttons like "check price on Amazon" or "get the best milk frother." 3. Your affiliate disclosure. You are legally required to tell people you might earn a commission. A simple sentence at the bottom of the page is all you need. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. That's it. Your page is done. It's a simple bridge between the people you're about to attract and the products you're recommending. This page is now your own digital real estate, an asset you control. Step 3. The free traffic machine. Pinterest. So you have a product and a page. How do you get eyeballs on it? This is where most people get stuck because they think they need to be a YouTube star or an Instagram influencer. Nope, we're going to use one of the most underrated free traffic sources online, Pinterest. Here's the secret. Think of Pinterest less like a social media platform and more like a visual search engine. People go there with intent. They're actively searching for ideas, solutions, and things to buy. And unlike an Instagram post that vanishes in a day, a good pin can show up in search results for months or even years, creating a truly passive stream of traffic. The strategy is simple. We're going to create idea pins and standard pins that offer value in our niche and gently lead people to our money page. Pinterest has official partnerships with networks like Amazon Associates, so this is a completely legitimate strategy as long as you follow their disclosure rules. Here's your game plan. First, get a free Pinterest business account. This is essential. It unlocks analytics and trends you can't see with a personal account. Second, optimize your profile. Your name and bio should be packed with keywords related to your niche, like home coffee tips or beginner barista. Third, create keyword-rich boards. Make 5 or 10 boards related to your niche, like espresso machine reviews, delicious coffee recipes, and DIY home cafe. Fourth, design scroll stopping pins. You can do this for free with a tool like Canva. A great pin has 3 parts, a vertical image or video, a bold text overlay, with a catchy title like 5 espresso mistakes to avoid, and a subtle call to action like, tap to learn more. For every pin you make, write a description full of keywords, and most importantly, put the link to your free money page in the destination link field. Never put raw affiliate links here. Always link back to your page. Your goal is consistency, not volume. Aim to create and post 1 to 3 high-quality pins every day. This sounds like a lot, but once you create a few templates in Canva, you can batch create a week's worth of pins in about an hour. This upfront work is what builds the machine. Step 4. Autopilot and the power of patience. This is where the magic happens. You've found a product, built your page, and you're consistently creating pins that point to it. For the first week or two, you might not see much. This is normal. This is where patience comes in. Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-rich-for-sure system if you just don't quit. That pin you created on day 1 is now circulating on Pinterest. On day 30, someone might search best espresso machine for beginners. See your pin, click to your money page, read your review, and buy. You just earned a commission while you were sleeping. That's the power of a system. The work you do today pays you for months and years to come. Your pins become a little army of digital salespeople working for you 24 hours a day. The best way to do this is to treat it like a 30-day challenge. Commit to the process for 1 month without obsessing over the results. Focus on what you can control, finding good products, improving your page, and consistently creating valuable pins. Action is the only thing that separates those who succeed from those who just dream about it. Success here isn't about luck, it's about consistency. So, that's it. The 4 P's to start affiliate marketing with $0. 1. Product. Find a great product in a specific niche on a free network like Amazon Associates. 2. Page. Build a simple, free money page to be your central hub. 3. Pins. Use Pinterest as your free traffic machine, linking valuable pins back to your page. 4. Patience. Commit to the process, because the upfront work is what builds a real, long-term passive income stream. You now have the entire blueprint. The myth that you need money to make money is officially busted. You have the tools and the strategy. The only thing missing is your action. And since you understand the complete framework, the next step is mastering how to find products that actually pay you well. That's why I've made another video breaking down how to find 10 high-paying affiliate products in under 10 minutes. Click the link in the description. If you found this guide valuable, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more no-fluff strategies to build your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.